Hello dear children, in this video we will practice the worksheets of chapter 2, 2-digit numbers and chapter 6, addition. So first we'll start with lesson 2, 2-digit numbers. For that open page 22 and come to let us revise. First question is fill in the blanks. In 83 the digit 8 is in the dash place. What will come here? 83. See, from the right side, first number is ones and the second number is tens. So 8 is in the tens place. Now come to the second one. In 54, the place value of 5 is dash. So what is the place value of 5 here? So first number is ones from the right side and the second number is 5 tens. So this is 5 tens or 50. Place value of 5 is 5 tens or 50. Now come to the C part. 8 tens plus 7 ones is written as 87. These questions already we have done in the exercises and we have done the proper revision. So I know you all are knowing these answers. D. The increasing order of 45, 39, 98, 72 is, we have to write these numbers in increasing order. Increasing order, what do you mean by increasing order? Increasing order, smallest to biggest. So take out the smallest number, 39, then 45, then 72, then 98. Okay. So this is the increasing order, 39, 45, 72, 98. Come to the E part. In 45, 79, 24, 36, 54, which is the smallest number? Smallest number, see here. 24 is the smallest number. Now come to second question. Write T for true and F for false statement. A. If digit 4 is in ones place and 7 is in the tens place, then if digit 4 it is in the ones place and 7 it is in the tens place, then the 2-digit number is 47. This is wrong. So false will come here. Write F. Now come to B part. In 85 the place value of 8 is 8 ones or 8. Here from the right side the 5 is ones and 8 is 10. So 8 ones or 8, it means this is wrong. So false will come here. Write F. Now come to the C part. The decreasing order of 89, 39, 53, 24 is 89, 53, 39, 24. First decreasing order. What do you mean by decreasing order? Biggest to smaller. So see the series 89, 53, 39, 24. This is correct. Okay. So T will come here true. Then D, with the help of digit 7, 9, the greatest number is 97 and smallest number is 79. So with this help of these digits 79, we have to make greatest number and smallest, and here greatest is 97 and smallest is 79. This is absolutely correct. So T will come here true. Now come to the third question. Tick the correct choice. Here we have to tick the, here options are there and we have to tick the correct choice. In 75 the place value of 7 is 7, 70, 701. So place value of 7 is 70. So tick this. Then 40 plus 5 is written as 54, 405, 45, 5. 45 is the answer. So tick this. In 39, 45, 63, 35, the greatest number is, which is the greatest number in this? 39, 45, 60, 35. 63 is the greatest. So tick this. Then D part, the greatest number made by the digits 85, 8 and 5 is, greatest number made by these two digits is 85. So write tick here. Okay. Now come to this page 23 and worksheet. Okay. This is practice worksheet. Okay. Do the practice regularly. This all will come in your exams. Write the place value of each digit. These questions we have already done in the exercises, but again we'll do the revision. Here 39. So write 30. This is 9. 80. 8 and 4. This is 80 and this is 4. Then 7, 5. This is 70 and this is 5. 7, 6. This is 70 and this is 6. Now come to next question. Fill in the boxes with greatest, smallest and equal to. Here 65, 56. 65 is greater than 56. So put the sign of greater. Then 75 is greater than 28. Put the sign of greater here. Then 39, 39 they are equal, so equal to sign. 92, 92 both numbers are equal, so equal to sign. Then 15, 25. 25 is bigger than 15. So 15 is less than 25, less than sign will come here. Then 61, 81. Here also less than 61 is less than 81, so less than sign will come. Now mental maths. Fill in the place holders. Very easy. The place value of 9 is in 95 is 90. Here 10 dash 10s plus 7 ones is equal to 97. So 9 will come here. 8 tens plus dash 1s is equal to 89. So in ones which number is there? 9. So we will write 9 here. Then 55 plus dash equal to 60. So how much number we have to add in 55 to make it 60? We have to add 5 more. Okay. So 55 plus 5 equal to 60. Then 22 plus 4 equal to 26. So we have done this page 23 and 22. Do the practice regularly. These types of questions will come in your first term exams. So do the practice. Time is very precious. Utilize your time in your studies. Don't watch TV and other things. Okay. Now come to the page 24. This question 6 in 86, 54, 92, 41. The greatest number is 92. In 44, 32, 63, 81. The smallest number is 32. Again greater smaller equal to sign. 58 is greatest than 52. So greater sign will come here. 62, 62 both numbers are same. So equal to sign will come here. 93 is less than 95. So less than sign will come here. Now come to page 78. This is the worksheet of lesson. This is the worksheet of lesson 6 addition. So start with first question. Okay. Question 1, add the following. Here tens and ones 45, 22. These questions already we have so many times we have done these questions. We have done the revision also. So do the practice in your copies or in your books. Okay. 45 plus 22, 67 is the answer. Okay. Take the help of your hand and do the practice. 64, 23. This is 87. 89, 65. Here we have to carry. This is carry sum. Okay. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So we will write 4 here and 1 will go in tens line. Then 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So 154 is the answer. Same way 59 plus 72, 131 is the answer. Then 40, 33, 20. Okay. 93 is the answer. Here 77 is the answer. Then 94. Then 652. Then 931. Then 728. Okay. Then come to fill in the boxes. Here 5 plus dash equal to 3 plus 5. Which number is not here and that number is here. So see 5 is here but 3 is not there. So we will write 3 here. Here dash plus 35 is equal to dash plus 28. So write 28 here and write 35 here because both numbers are missing on each side. 45 plus 23 plus 15. 3 numbers are here and here only 2 numbers. Which number is not here? 15. So write 15 here. 18 plus dash equal to 18. 18 plus dash 18. Same answer. So for same answer what we have added? We have added 0. Okay. So now come to the question 3. Tick the correct choice. If the numbers can be added in any order. If we add two numbers, any numbers like 52, if we added 25 or 52 whatever, then the sum will be same in both cases. Okay. Sum means answer. When dash is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. What number we add in any number, the same number comes the answer. We will add 0. Okay. Then come to C part. 18 plus dash equal to 18. So we will write 0 here. Then 14 plus dash plus 17 is equal to 14 plus 17 plus 16. 3 numbers are here and here only 2 numbers. Which number is not here? See from this side 16. So we will write 16 here. Come to this question 4. Problem sums. 25 people visited the circus in the first show and 62 people visited in the second show. There is one circus. There 25 people visited in the first show and 62 in second show. We have to tell the total. So first tens and ones, arrange the numbers. 25 plus 62 and 87 is the answer. In second, in a magazine there are 75 colored pages and 88 black and white pages. How many pages are there in the magazine all together? So 75 here, 88, write tens and ones here, and this is the, and write the sign plus, then 163 is the answer. Now come to page 82. Here HOTS. Find the sum of largest 3-digit number and smallest 2-digit number. First we will write the, which is the largest 3-digit number, 999, and which is the smallest 2-digit number, 10. So we'll do the sum of these two numbers. Okay, so here we'll write 100, then tens, then ones. Okay, 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, still this is 10. So we'll write 0 here and we'll carry this number to next hundreds line. So 1 plus 9, 10. So what is the answer? See, 1009 is the answer. So in this way we have completed our worksheets of lesson 2 and lesson 6. These are very important. Take it seriously, beta, and do the practice in your copies regularly every day. Okay. So with this we have completed our first term syllabus. Dear children, revise the syllabus regularly as your exams are approaching very soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe.